seconds. Fill in these spaces. We kind of want to just get this part of the table filled out. This is not going to change. This is not going to change. So for 700,000 people, how many crimes were there? Josh. 700,000 people.
21,000.
21, close. 21, how many zeros?
2.
2 zeros, so 2,100. Can you say that, Josh? 2,100? 2,100 pancakes, 2,100 airplanes, 2,100 balloons.
Number of
Crimes. 2,100 crimes. Ruby Ingram. 800,000 people. How many crimes? 2,400. How did you get 2,400? You added 300. 900,000 people. Ruby Rojas, how many crimes?
2,700.
2,700. And
crimes.
crimes. Thank you. Awesome. And the very last one. 1 million people. How many crimes? America. This one right here.
Oh.
Close. How many did you add?
400.
400?
I mean, yeah.
Did you add 300 every time and then decide to add 400 down here? Why'd you do that?
I don't know. Because I thought it was the last one. So.
Was it confusing because we went from 900,000 to 1 million?
Yeah.
And you weren't exactly sure how many people that was? Okay. Let's add our arrow here too. To show that to go from 900,000 to 1 million, we're also adding 100,000 people. So America, if we add 100,000 people, how many crimes do we add?
300.
300. Which makes our result not 3,100, but 3,000. Exactly. Okay. Perfect. Now we have a table of X values and a table of Y values. And we can graph those, but first, I want us to take 30 seconds on our own to reflect about the question underneath our table. How does the number of crimes change as we add each 100,000 people? Okay, Robert is recording his thoughts underneath that question. Daniela is recording her thoughts underneath that question. Seconds. I want you to take 30 seconds to share your idea with your partner.
Added 300 more crimes were committed.
I did this one. That one.
how did they add? What happens? How does it change? The number of crimes get bigger as we add 1,000.
10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. How many people said the number of crimes is going up or something like that? Because that's what I heard a lot. Was anyone more specific than that? I want to hear 3 ideas. I want to hear Jose and then Van and then Eduardo. Jose? Also, if you snap, or if you agree, snap.
The number of crimes keeps adding more when the population sample gets higher.
Thank you.
The number of crimes increased by 300.
Very specific. Thank you, Eduardo.
Goes up by 2,000.
By 3,000?
I mean, by
Where'd you get that number?
By 300.
300. And it is, in the end, 3,000, right?
Yeah.
Oh, so by the way, I forgot to ask this. If there are 1 million people in San Jose, which there pretty much is, it's like 955,000. Wait. Yep. It's like 955,000. How many crimes were there in 2010 then? Now we know. There are about 1 million people.
2,800.
So how many crimes?
2,800.
2,800? We're looking at 1 million here. So there were 3,000 crimes. Sorry, it wasn't very clear there about if you should raise your hand, if you shouldn't raise your hand. So I'm going to jot down really quickly here. You can jot down any more thoughts that you have. As we add 100,000